and welcome to Cryssberry Reviews once again. So today we're going to see how to bleach your face. So for people who don't want to wax your face or don't want to tweeze or shave or whatever to remove their hairs, the best option you can go for is bleaching, because this does not cause any kind of irritation that waxing causes, and the results last for about a month, and it doesn't give you those coarse regrowth of hairs on your face. This is the method that I prefer instead of tweezing or waxing or going for any kind of hair removal like that. So this is a brand that I'm using, and this is from Jolin, and I think it's a US brand. Yeah, it says that it's made in USA, and all ingredients are made in USA and Europe. So this is the bleach that I'm using, and this also works on dark and coarse hairs, unlike other bleaches. So for people who have dark and coarse hairs can also go for this bleach, and it takes about say 20 minutes for fair skin to bleach, and for dark skin it takes about 10 minutes. So the contents of this box are this cream bleach. This is what it looks like. So I've used almost 3/4 of the content. Then you have this accelerator powder. Then you get a mixing cup like this and a spatula. This mixing cup is really small, so I don't use this. I use a separate bowl, and apart from this cream and this accelerator powder, I add one more ingredient to this whenever I apply to my face, and that is because I have a sensitive skin. So I'll be showing you in the video what this ingredient is. So without further delay, shall we move on? Then let's go. So whichever brand the bleach is or wherever it comes from, it doesn't matter, because a bleach is always a chemical, so I don't really recommend using it quite often. So even I use it only during or before a party or a family function or something like that. Otherwise I don't use it. So first, before applying it, you have to wash your face with soap, but after applying it, don't use any soap or anything like that. Just simply wash it with plain water, and just leave it like that. Don't apply any cream or any kind of makeup or anything, and don't go out in the sun. It's not at all good for your skin. So it's always better to apply it at night. So that's it. So let's see how we are going to mix and apply it. So take a clean bowl. And the measurement is with this spatula. What you need to do is take about 1/4 spatula of activator powder and 1.5 spatula of cream. So first take the accelerator powder. I take about this much of powder and add it to the bowl. Then wipe the spatula with a clean cloth. And then take the cream. So you will take about a heaped spatula of cream. So this is one, and another half. So if you want more, you can take more, but this is the proportion. So I generally take about 2 spatulas of cream. So let me take another half spatula of cream. Okay, and then I add 2 to 3 drops of rose water. Don't take too much, otherwise the cream will become very loose. So just start mixing. Just mix it with the accelerator powder. Mix it well until it forms a buttery kind of consistency like this. See, just keep mixing, only then the powder will get mixed well. Mix well so that the powder doesn't remain at the bottom, and it gets mixed well with the cream. So allow it to rest for 2 minutes, and then we can apply to face. You can also use your finger to mix it, it doesn't matter, and then you can wash your hands. So wear a headband like this so that you don't accidentally apply the bleach on your hair. So we'll start applying the bleach. You can use a brush, but for now I'm using my finger. So now we will start applying. So the powder has completely dissolved into the cream. I like to use my finger. If you would like, you can use a brush, but I like to use my finger to apply bleach. So first I will start by applying to the sides of my face. Avoid the area around your eyes. If you have any wounds or anything like that, a broken pimple or something, avoid that area because it starts burning. So I've added rose water because my skin is a bit sensitive, so that is the reason I'm adding rose water to the bleach. If you wish, you can skip that step. My finger reaches every nook and corner of my face better than a brush, so that's the reason I like to apply with using my finger. Apply to the neck area also. So what I do is to make an even application, I just do like this so that it just gets applied evenly. Don't keep rubbing too many times, just once or twice like this. Oh my god, I look like I have stepped out of a horror movie. Well, okay, so just leave it on for about 10 minutes if you have a dark skin, or if you have fair skin, you can leave it on for 20 minutes, and just you can remove and check if all the hairs and everything is bleached. So after that you can wash it off. So leave it on for 20 minutes, and if it's not bleached well, then you can leave it for another 10 minutes and then check it again. So let's wait. So after you apply a bleach, you kind of get a burning sensation in your eyes. So what you can do is, you can take some cotton like this and add rose water and cover your eyes like this. So set your I'm not able to see. So set your alarm for 10 minutes or 20 minutes according to your skin type, and then just relax. Just listen to 4 to 5 of your favorite songs and relax for 20 minutes, because my skin, I have a fair skin. I have to definitely wait for 20 minutes, otherwise it's not going to be getting completely bleached to match my skin tone. So it's already been 20 minutes. So what you do is you just remove a part of this bleach from one part of your face, a small part of your face, and then check if it's bleached properly. If not, just reapply and then wait for another 10 minutes and then you can remove it. So for me, it's completely done. So I'm going to remove this. I'll just wash it off with plain water. I'm not going to use soap or anything. I'll just wash it off with plain water. It's always good to do a patch test 24 hours before you apply it on your face. Just take a little quantity of this mixture and apply it somewhere on your leg or somewhere like that, or maybe somewhere just below. Just apply it there and see and wait for 24 hours and see if you find any kind of allergies or anything. If something like that appears, then just discontinue the use. And one more thing is, like, if you have any kind of cuts and wounds or any kind of a popped pimple or anything like that on your skin, avoid applying to that part of your skin. Avoid it and apply to the rest of your face. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching. See you soon with another useful video like this. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. Thank you.